Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patsupaerehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe.
My name is E. Kia ora, my name is O. Kia ora, my name is U.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
Shall we go and see who has come to visit us today?
Aye! Hey, Kiwi! Hey, Kiwi!
Yes, it's the kiwi. You know, kiwi use their long noses to help them find food at night. Tākaro tribe, do you think it will help them to kani dance?
Ooh, aye!
Etsu tamariki mā. Are you ready to kani dance and waiata sing with us?
Me kani, me waiata, yay! Matike, maranga, tutai omoe na e hoama. Matike, maranga, me tina tata kite kori tinana. Tuatahi, wirihia o ringa. Tuarua, wirihia o waiwai. Tuatoru, whātoro i te tinana. Tahi, rua, toru kei te rite. Tātaka peke paku e. Tahi ka oma tino te rawa e. Are whana whiua to ihuroa e. Paia! Watutuki i a koe. Matike, maranga. Ko te ao kei te kapu o tō ringa. Matike, maranga. Kia pai tō rā e huama? Matike, maranga.
What's that kiwi has given to you?
Aua!
Tākaro tribe, that's Papa Rākau calling you. I'm sure he will be able to tell you what kiwi gave you. Haere rā, off you go.
Tamariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue. Tēnā koutou, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpai!
Did you enjoy dancing with the kiwi?
Aira!
Me, Haro. Amazing. I see you've brought something along with you. Let's take a closer look, shall we?
Ooh! Yay!
Do you know what it is?
Mm.
The Tuanui roof is made of tapatoru, triangle shapes.
Tuanui, roof. Tapatoru, triangle.
And the bottom part has tapawha, square shapes.
Tapawha, square.
I'll give you a clue. People live in it. That's right. It's a whare.
Whare! Yay!
Me, Haro. Amazing. It's time for us to visit some friends.
manawa whiro.
Kia ora, tamariki mā. Let's have a look round the whare. What are these rooms? Ruma moe. Ruma noho. Kihini. Ruma horoi. Wharepaku.
Did you know the word whare has the letter R in it?
R.
Shall we learn to write the letter R?
I.
R. First, draw a line down, go back to the top, and draw a line around and back to the middle. Then, draw down to the right. Kapai. Let's do it again. Down the side, around to the middle, and down to the right. R.
Yay!
Miharu. Amazing. I hear Koka calling you. Time for you all to visit Koka. See you next time.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
What did you learn about today?
Whare.
Whare. Let's learn to spell it.
R.
Do you think we need an R?
I. E.
Do you think we need an E?
Cow. R.
Look, a R. Do we need a R?
Mira. R. I. N.
Do we need a N?
Cow.
Do we need a F?
I.
Do we need a K?
Cow.
Do we need a T?
Cow. E.
Do we need an E?
I.
Karawe. Excellent. That's all the letters we need. Let's all say the word together, and then you can try and spell it. Whare. Can you tell me the sound the word begins with?
F.
Ka pai, f. Now try sounding out the word whare.
Whare. F. A. R. E.
That's right. See if you can find the letters for those sounds.
Fa. F. A. Re. Re. E.
Did you manage to spell the word whare?
Fa. Re. Whare. Yay!
Tēnō pai, very good. I knew you could do it.
The top is tapatoru, triangle, and the bottom is tapawha, square shapes. People live in them. Whare. It's a whare.
What a fun day, Tākaro tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie. Good night, Tākaro tribe. Titiro, here comes the moon, Mahina. Kia ora, Mahina, me ngā whetū. E moi, Tākaro tribe. See you tomorrow. Hei a pōpō.
Marie.